everyone, I hope each one of you are doing great in your own life, staying home and staying safe. And so nearly after 4 months I am uploading a video, like long time no see. So now in today's video I'm going to share with you DIY abstract bottle art with very minimum products, So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So here I have a breezer bottle. So I have cleaned it nicely, and some applicator sponge. If you are having applicator sponge, you can use that, but I was not having, so I am using normal sponge, and 3 to 4 colors of your choice. So starting with the base coat, I am going with red. So after completing the base coat, I will let it dry completely. After that, I will work on it. So for the next, I have these hibiscus leaves and 3 different colors. So starting off with this yellow color. So what I will do, I will take little amount of color on the sponge and then I will dab it on the leaf. And then I will stamp it on the bottle. So what it will do, it will give little impressions of those veins from the leaves on the bottle. So for the next, I will do little patterns with black color, like normal little grass patterns like this, with little definitions around, like very casually, like I'm not doing anything very fancy. I'm just outlining the leaves, some of the leaves, and then making little grass patterns on it. Now I have this little jute thread and I will wrap it around the mouth of the bottle. After completing this, I thought of doing little blueprints on the bottle. After this, I will color the jute part with the same blue color that I used for those leaves. Now with the white color, I am doing little dot effect around those black impressions that I did earlier. And this was the final look. As you can see, it is looking very pretty. It is not at all perfect, but altogether it is giving a different vibe as it is an abstract bottle art. each one of you loved the video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you didn't like the video, obviously you can dislike it too. And if you have any video suggestion for me, like you want me to do something, then do leave a comment down below. Obviously I will make a video on that. And if you are new here, hey, I am Shoshi. I upload DIYs, cooking and baking related videos a little bit. So if you have interest in all of these three, then do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it. It will notify you whenever I post a new video. And I hope to meet you soon. Till then, bye bye.